We were about closing the restaurant this Friday night when a car drove in and two men came out asking what we had, that they were very hungry. I told them we had closed for the day and didn't have any food left. My sister then shouted, "Only Nkobi." One of the men then asked, "Hausa, Nkobi?" Because I was obviously dressed like a northern woman. I said, "Yes, Hausa, Nkobi. Eat it. If you don't like it or it doesn't taste like the regular Nkobi you know, don't pay me." It was a deal, so he ordered for a plate, and on the very first bite, he asked for 2 more plates. He turned to his friend and said, "Can you believe it? Hausa woman cooked this nice Nkobi," and we all laughed. If you're wondering how a northern woman cooked Nkobi, then come with me, let me show you how. So this is my cooked cow leg. I pieced it into smaller chunks and cooked it, and this is my ehuru, that's African nutmeg. I roasted it on fire for some few minutes. That will bring out the aroma. And in a clean pot, I went in with some palm oil, added some potash water, then beat it until it became pale yellow, like this. Just mix it very well. If there's need to add the potash water, you do so. You can see the color has turned to pale yellow. And I went in with my pepper and onion mix. Went in with my crayfish powder. Crayfish, I pounded it with the ehuru, and then I went in with some small seasoning powder. I didn't add salt because I'd already boiled the cow leg with some salt. So I went in now with the boiled cow leg. You can see it's been pieces into just bite sizes. Just went in with it. Like so. And then I mixed it very well. Mix it very, very well until the palm oil mixture marries the cow leg, like this. You mix very well, like so. Please like this video, share with your family and friends, give it a thumbs up. Let them see how a Hausa woman cooked Nkobi, or rather a northern woman cooked this nice looking and inviting Nkobi. After mixing it very well, I turned on the heat, cover and allow it to steam for some few minutes. Look at how this Nkobi is looking. So inviting. Gorgeous Nkobi. You mix, dish it out. Like so. I dished it out and then garnished it with some tazi leaf and some sliced onion. So where are my Igbo sisters? Do you think I did justice to this Nkobi? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Give it a thumbs up. See how this video, this Nkobi is looking. So beautiful, so inviting. garnished with some atazi leaf, some sliced onions, and there you have it. This bowl of Nkobi made by a northern woman. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.